Friends, today we will discuss. In this background of the Twitter incident, we will discuss about the IT Amendment Rules 2021 and what would be the implication if companies like Twitter, Facebook fail to comply with the guidelines issued by the Government of India. First of all, I strongly believe that if Government of India issues any direction, it is the duty of every entity operating in India to comply with the order, because this is a sovereign country. There is a rule of law. The government of the day has the power to make rules, and any entity have to respect the rules of the land. Now we will delve in the issue. What is the social media? What is its importance? Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook have empowered common men. Now they have given a different dimension to the right of freedom of speech and expression. And today, a common man can share his ideas, his life events on the social media platform. So, naturally, right of expression and right of speech and expression have got a new dimension because of this social media platform, and common man feel empowered. But friends, these companies like Twitter and Facebook, they have no control over who is the user, what would be the content of the user, and who should read the content. One user is the editorial control over the content. One user have the administrative control over the content. And but the problem is that, suppose if anyone posts defamatory material against me, then if I go to the police and complaint against that unknown person, then the police will try to find out the office of the Twitter, but the Twitter is not here. Twitter is registered in USA. So I would approach the court. I would make implicate first party as an unknown person, the second party as Twitter, and if the court will issue summon. The summon will be served only if there is a mutual legal assistance treaty between the two countries. If there is no mutual legal assistance treaty between the two countries, then the summon would not be served. Then the accused would be remain free. So that's why. So once the Twitter will come to the court and share the information, by the time it would already elapsed around 3 months. So whatever damage could have been done already have done. The damage could not be undone. So what is the solution? That's why Government of India comes with a amendment in the IT rules that they must appoint a chief compliance officer, a grievance redressal officer, and a nodal officer who would be physically present in the country. So I don't see any problem in it. This three officer would be act as an interface between government and government and this intermediate company. So that they would always have. So if some user have any if any have grievance, then government can catch hold of this officer and compare to compliance with the rules and regulation of this country. So in my view, this is a very necessary rules, and because see, it's not only that social media have empowered people, it's also that social media have um, defamatory content and make life volatile. So suppose tomorrow something posted, defamatory content posted against the government of India, then it would cause a lot of damage. Although there is a provision under Article 19 Clause 2 that what rules and regulations can be brought by the government. But I think that the new amendment, IT amendment rules, satisfying the test of the constitutional validity, and there is no problem in it. And I sincerely think that Twitter will comply with the guidelines issued by the government of India. But then a question also arose: what if the Twitter say that I don't comply because their office is not here? And to operate in this country, they do not require to be registered in this country. Otherwise, they have nothing to do with this country except for users. So it's not like that. According to me, any democratic elected country like India, moreover, where judicial system is so much matured, one of the most mature judicial system in the world, India have. So in such country like India, it's not possible to ban social media platform. So at the max, what the government of India can do, they will block the user, but they cannot block the social media intermediate platform like Twitter, Facebook, and all those things. So we all hope for the best, and we feel that, and we sincerely hope that Twitter will comply with the guidelines issued by the government of India.